Hey, Lupe, Melissa here with West Coast Connects. We spoke to you earlier in the week, and I wanted to take a quick minute and shoot over that video as promised. So I'm going to go through and do a quick website audit and show you some ways that you can increase your online presence and get you to that top page of Google. The first thing I noticed right off the bat, your website looks really great, nice layout and colors, but it doesn't have a whole lot of content on your homepage here. And one thing I can tell you about Google is they love to see a lot of content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. And you want to include keywords in that content. Google has what's called crawlers, and they're going to crawl the internet and they're going to search and rank those results. So they're looking for the services that you offer and the areas that you serve. Those would be keywords like roofing in Raleigh, North Carolina. So if we go and do a Google search for one of those keywords, roofing contractor, Durham, North Carolina, the first thing that comes up here is going to be the Google ads. These are all the companies that are paying per click. And the next thing that pops up is what we call the map pack. And these are all the companies that have a Google business profile. And I'm not sure if you had one or not. If you did, I couldn't find it on the first page of these Google business profiles. So you just might not be ranking it if you do have one. So there's quite a few ways that you can help to rank this. This is a great additional way to bring in leads and phone calls coming in. And ideally, you want to be in one of these top 3 positions because 99% of the time, people aren't going to scroll to the next page and try and find you. They're usually going to choose one of these top 3 guys. So the first thing to help rank this is citations. What is a citation? A citation is any directory where your business name, address, and phone number is listed. There's thousands of them, things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Chamber of Commerce, Better Business Bureau. And the more citations that you have, the better you're going to rank on this map pack. The second way to rank this is photos. So you want to have at least 10 to 15 photos, and you want to save those photos as those keywords that we talked about earlier. The third way is Google reviews. A good rule of thumb is to at least have 25 5-star reviews, but the name of the game is to always beat out your competitors here. You can see they have 226, 35, 92. All 3 of those things combined are really going to rank you and get you to the top of this map pack. All right, the next thing that we have is the organic listings. Again, you ideally want to be on the first page of this as well. So you're easily found and you're going to be getting the most leads and phone calls coming in. So we can see this guy, Cole Roofing. He's on the first page of the organic listings, and he's also in the top 3 of the map pack. So that guy is really who you want to beat out. He's going to be getting the most phone calls in because he's in the top of the map pack as well as the organics. So let's go take a look at his website and see why he's there. So here's their website. It looks nice too. A nice layout, some photos. I can tell you right off the bat though, they really don't have enough content on their homepage, and they'd be easily to beat out content wise. But obviously there's a few other things that go into it as well. So I use this program called Ahrefs, and it goes in and analyzes everything that we're doing on the back end so we can see exactly what we're up against and what you need to do to beat out those competitors. So this is called the UR and the DR rating. These numbers are super important when it comes to Google. The UR is typically raised by citations, and the DR is typically raised by backlinks. The UR is how trustworthy your site is, and the DR is how powerful your site is. Now, what the heck is a backlink, you might be wondering? So a backlink is any website, article, blog that's referring people back to your website URL. It's basically a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have, the more powerful you are in Google's eyes, and they're going to kick you to the top of their rankings. However, please note that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you always remember quality over quantity. You don't want to be grabbing backlinks from super spammy sites that aren't relevant to your scope of work at all. So you can see here they have 487 backlinks coming from 105 referring domains. They have 275 keywords, and all in all, those citations, backlinks, and content, that's getting them 169 people that are viewing their site per month. Now, when we go and look at your stats, You can see you're not really rating on the UR and the DR at all. You only have 1 referring domain, 0 keywords, and that's really not bringing any traffic to your site at all. So nobody is organically searching for your site. Typically, it's just because you're not coming up on that first page of Google. But like I said before, if you just add that content we talked about with the keywords, the backlinks, and citations, I think that you'd be in great shape on increasing that online presence, getting you to the first page of Google, and bringing some more business in the door. All right, Loop A, well, that's all I got. I hope that you found this helpful and you can find some time to implement some of these strategies. Please feel free to reach out and reply to my email or give me a call if you have any questions at all. My name's Melissa. My number's 321-225-2694. Have a great one.